right, what we have here is a normal ammo box available on Amazon. I'll make sure I put the links below on everything I used here to build this. But go ahead and pop it open here. Purpose of the box, as you can see by the labels here, is to test the 7-pin trailer plug on your trailer. If you want to test other pin configurations, you can do those by using the adapter. But here you got the right turn, left turn, tail lights, reverse, and of course up here we got the brake. We got some additional functionality here in case we need to do that. Now, it's designed to either use the Ryobi platform or the Makita platform. In this case, for this test, we're just going to use the Ryobi. We're going to pop that in, lift up the lid, turn on the power. So we are seeing here the battery output from the Ryobi battery. These are wired in parallel, so if you did put 2 batteries in there, you would only increase the amp hour, not the voltage. Here is the output, and this is going out to the trailer now. One way we can test the trailer functions without actually having a trailer with us is one of these. These are commonly available on Amazon, link below. And we're just going to pop this in here. And instantly we see that we have a 12 volt. You can see the letter designations for each of those lights. Right turn signal, backup, all that. You can see that the 12 volt is working, so we're getting 12 volt through the accessory feed on the plug. Now, we can go through, and as you'll see, each of these lights will light up as I select them. So reverse lights, there's your reverse lights, they're working. The tail lights, they're working. Left turn, working. And right turn, okay? So we're gonna jump up here, this one, to the brake. So if you're testing your trailer brakes, say you have the wheels up off the ground and you want to spin the wheels and you want to make sure the trailer brakes are actually functioning, you click this and it'll actually apply the brakes. It's not a brake controller, so you can't adjust the feed, but it's full 12 volts back to the trailer brakes. As you can see, we are outputting 12.1. If you wanted to walk around the trailer, do it remotely. As you can see here, got a remote. Some of that functionality is available right here on the remote. For instance, we'll talk about the brakes. You can see the brakes light up here or here. So you walk around the trailer and do this remotely as well. Opening it up inside, we've got individual fuses for each circuit. If there is a wiring problem with the trailer itself, the light will light up in the fuse box indicating that a fuse is blown. There is also a master breaker, so if there is an issue at the battery level, it'll pop the breaker. That is a 10 amp breaker. Back in the back there you can see the relays, that and the receiver for the remote control, and of course you have the step down converter here. All the rest of it is the typical switch configuration that you might find in a situation like this. And if you wanted to test other pin configurations here, such as a 4 or 5 pin trailer, we also have the splitter for that. And once you're finished, simply remove that, shut the power off, pull the battery, close the lid, and that's it. All right, that's the battery test box. Thanks for watching.